Hey my friends, welcome back. Today I have another project. I've been away for a while. I've been busy remodeling my bathroom, so I haven't made any videos. But I just got this 661. Just bought this from somebody. Supposedly it's working okay. I'll have to check it out. It's what is this? A 2007. It's got to be cleaned up. I'm going to take it outside and wash it down. But there's one problem here that I can see. If you look at this, how that hinge is bent down and it's rusted here. This refrigerator was dropped some way, maybe tipped over or something like that. I didn't know that when I saw pictures of it, but it's definitely bad. So we need a new hinge here. This door hinge is also beat up a little bit. This piece of trim, I think I can just probably fix that. And the bearing looks okay. So I'm going to take it outside, wash it down, clean it up, and then we'll take the door off and we'll see what parts we need. Okay, my friends, we are back. I took the unit outside and washed it down and disinfected it. And now I'm going over it and see what's wrong. We've got a couple of cosmetic problems here. We've got some scratches here. And there's scratches down here. Oh, there, not serious, but nevertheless. And then there's a crack here. They must have dropped something, and this you can't replace. So it's not going to affect the operation. The gaskets seem to be in good shape. The only thing I've noticed so far is that this refrigerator fell over. Obviously, you can see the scratches here, and look at the hinge, how it's bent here. So I went online, I priced these parts out. It's about $150 to replace these hinges. I'm going to pull these off and see if we can straighten them out and fix them rather than buy them. So stand by. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to remove these bolts here. These are hex bolts with these two shipping screws. Then we're going to remove this upper hinge, and we may have to remove this trim piece here too. And I'm going to put it in the press and see if I can bend it straight. If not, then we'll have to order the parts. Now, normally if I was fixing this refrigerator for a customer, I would just buy the new parts. But since I bought this refrigerator basically as a spare for myself, and I'm going to see if I can fix it myself. Stand by. Alright, so first we're going to move the shipping screws. Now, I could just take this whole door off, which means I'd have to disconnect the door closer down below. But I might be able to do this without taking the door off. And I'll show you how. Not sure, but I haven't done it in a while. So this is a model 661-3. It's a late model. This trim piece on the end of the door here might have to come off. Yeah, I think so, because normally you could just move this door over and I would close it, but I'm going to take that, I'm going to leave this one screw in here for now. I'm going to take that trim piece off. Okay. I haven't checked the mechanicals yet. I'm more concerned with the cosmetics. The mechanicals are, for me, easier to fix. I can already feel that this door is moving once I'm loosening up this trim piece here. Okay, got one here.
And you'll see why once I take it off, why you have to remove it. The 600 series are like that. Okay, now we got the screws out.
And normally you'd be able to take that trim piece off by just taking the screws out. So, because it's bent, of course when I bought it, I didn't see that in the pictures that the guy sent me. And he told me there wasn't anything wrong with it, of course. Yeah. But for me, it's okay. I can fix it. Okay, now, this is loose. This can come out. Let's see what happens. Open up the door. Try to push that out. There it is. Okay, you can see how this is curved, and it fits right in there. And that is the reason why we couldn't get it out. So now we'll take off this last screw here while I'm holding the door up. Then I'm going to close the door. There we go. So here we have it. There's a little burring on here. And this is it. Look at the bend. So I have a press here. I don't even probably need a press because I can just use a nice heavy duty hammer to straighten it out. But let's get to it. That's it. It's got a little bit of a bend in it. That's not so bad. Now this one here, look at how crooked that is. I don't think I have any hinges like this. Not the new style anyways. This is the old style hinge. And these are the new 600 series hinges, like a 650 and a 611. Sub-Zero had a campaign on these. You got them. They would give them to you for free. I don't know if they do that anymore, but I don't have them. So the funny thing is that this piece was $70 on Sub-Zero. $70 for this piece, and this piece was only $40. So I'm not quite sure how I want to handle this, but I'm going to play with this a little bit and see if I can straighten it out. And if not, then I'll just order a new one. That's a little better. Not sure about that. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I knew this was going to be a problem to get this back on, because when I hammered this, it kind of flattened it out and made this thing a little bit out of round. I might have to file. There it goes. So that goes like that. Oh, that doesn't look so bad. Let's see. Okay, that does not look so bad. So why don't we try to hook this hinge up again. Just like that. Okay, before I put the shipping screws in, let's make sure we can get this piece back on here. Okay. These help keep the door aligned. They call them shipping screws. You can take them out and adjust the door if you have to. You can't adjust this door without taking these shipping screws out. But the shipping screws, when they're in right, the door is lined up. So okay. Let's just make sure that the door panel is on right. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That looks good here. Looks good there. It's a pretty simple operation. Now, if you're a homeowner and you want to do a job like this, you can only buy these parts from Sub-Zero distributors. You can't buy Sub-Zero parts, not that I know of, online. And if you do, they're aftermarket.
And they're not the same. Even if they have the same part number. So just be cognizant of that.
there you have it. Not bad. There is a cover missing here. You see this plastic cover? I can buy that, put that over that, and that'll hide any imperfections there. Also, this one's cracked, so I could order 2 of those. That'd be a lot cheaper to do that than to change all these parts. But it's not perfect, but it'll work. It's okay for me. There you go. That's how you replace or repair the upper hinge on a side-by-side Sub-Zero. I will see you guys. I still have to do the mechanicals and check the refrigeration systems out and all that, but we'll do that in another video. Thanks for watching.